When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old.
Hi guys, my name's Daryl Sheether and welcome to this edition of Project TJ. That's right, we still have the stalling issue. Yes, we thought we fixed it, but no we didn't. So apart from petrol and a match, which I have sort of, today we're going to take the throttle body off. We're going to replace all the sensors on that. So it's IAC sensor, throttle position sensor and MAP sensor. It could be the IAC sensor, it could be the throttle position sensor. I don't think it's the MAP sensor, but they're all fairly low cost items. While we've got it off, it's a 225 torques to get any of them off. It's a fairly simple job, and we can then take that out of the equation too. was interesting. Put it all back together and it wouldn't run, and it was exhibiting very similar issues to what we've had, and pulling it all apart to look at what the problem was, I found a little plastic cover that goes over the throttle position connector. So it's the female connector from the wiring loom, which makes me to think if it was exhibiting, and once I put that back on and reinstalled it, everything, it's running perfectly. So I'm thinking maybe it was a faulty throttle position sensor. Very interesting. See how it goes. We'll report back and cross our fingers, hey guys. Alright, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Same as always, like and subscribe if you like the channel, because it really helps us out, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.